The divine feminine has long symbolized creation, intuition, and wisdom, forces vital to humanity's spiritual evolution. Yet throughout history, patriarchal systems and organized religions have systematically suppressed her, recasting spiritual traditions to obscure her power. This erasure has severed humanity from its intuitive depths and natural rhythm, leaving us trapped in cycles of ignorance, imbalance, and reliance on external authority. To restore humanity and harmony, we must reconnect with the divine feminine, awakening to her whispers in our subconscious and reclaiming our inner sovereignty. The divine feminine embodies primordial energy, the receptive and nurturing counterpart to the active, structured masculine energy. Together, these forces form a sacred union that sustains universal harmony. So let's talk about the sacred archetypes. In Kabbalah, the Shekhinah represents divine presence, nurturing connection and balance. Sophia, in Gnostic thought, is a wellspring of wisdom, bridging the natural and spiritual. In Tantric traditions, Shakti is a dynamic energy that activates Shiva, embodying creation and movement. The divine feminine governs the subconscious, the realm of dreams, archetypes, and intuition. Suppression of her essence leads to disconnection from these inner depths, creating imbalance within and without. The fall of the divine feminine has played out both in metaphysical realms and human history, distorting spiritual truth and limited humanity's potential. Sophia's descent in Gnostic texts reflects humanity's alienation from divine wisdom. Eve's portrayal in the Bible casts intuition and knowledge as sinful, marginalizing the feminine principle. Persephone's abduction into the underworld symbolizes the silencing of the natural cycles and intuitive wisdom. Esoterically, the archons described in Gnostic cosmology are forces that obscure truth and manipulate perception. By severing humanity from the divine feminine, they restricted access to gnosis, direct spiritual knowledge, and maintained control through fear and ignorance. Organized religion often reflects this suppression, emphasizing hierarchy and dogma while devaluing human qualities like nurturing, creativity, and emotional insight. The divine feminine is central in inner alchemy, the spiritual process of transforming the lower self into the higher self. Without her presence, humanity struggles to integrate the shadow, heal emotional wounds, and achieve true self-awareness. Despite external suppression, the divine feminine continues to communicate through subconscious, offering stubble yet profound guidance. The high priestess in tarot symbolizes hidden knowledge, intuition, the mysteries of the subconscious. The moon card reflects cycles, emotions, and shadow work, where the divine feminine offers transformative insight. Dreams serve as a gateway to divine wisdom, presenting archetype symbols like serpent, which is transformation, water, which is emotion, and the womb, which is creation. These symbols urge reflection and interception, awakening dormant aspects of the soul. The divine feminine invites us to embrace shadow work, the process of facing suppressed aspects of the psyche. Myths like Inanna's descent into the underworld mirrors this journey, showing the transformative power of confronting and integrating the shadow self. In context of the holographic universe, the suppression of the divine feminine reflects humanity's internal imbalance. The outer world is a projection of collective consciousness, and disconnection from the feminine results in disconnect from within and without. The divine feminine offers tools to elevate consciousness and break free from cycles of ignorance. For example, gnosis, which is intuitive, direct spiritual knowledge. Emotional healing, which is connecting with feelings and integrating the shadow self. Cycles in nature. We must align with natural rhythms to restore inner harmony. Healing requires a sacred union of the divine feminine and masculine within each individual. When balanced, these forces unlock higher frequencies and transform external reality. Through symbols, dreams, and intuitive epiphanies, the divine feminine continues to plant seeds of awakening. These double messages call humanity to reclaim its spiritual heritage and rise into collective wisdom. The suppression of divine feminine has not only marginalized women, but has also robbed humanity of its innate connection to intuition, wisdom, and cyclical flow of life. Her presence is essential for shadow work, inner healing, and the integration of soul's fragmented parts. By heeding her whispers in the subconscious, humanity can rediscover the true nature, dissolve the illusions of fear and ignorance, and restore cosmic balance. The journey to reclaim the divine feminine is both personal and universal. It is a call to remember, to realign, and to reawaken, to create a world that reflects the harmony and beauty of our divine potential. In doing so, we not only elevate individual consciousness, but also contribute to the collective transformation of humanity. This is Magalesi. Thanks for listening. Peace.